Hello viewers, in this video we'll see marginal costing. We'll see what does this marginal cost mean. Marginal cost is the additional cost for producing an additional unit of a product. Okay, this marginal cost is nothing but the variable cost which is incurred for producing the additional unit of product. Okay, and the formula to calculate this marginal cost is prime cost plus total variable overhead. Here the prime cost will include your direct material, direct wages and direct expenses. Okay, all your direct expenses plus your total variable overhead is the marginal cost here. Okay, now we'll see the important concepts and terms used in this marginal costing. The first one is fixed cost. It is also known as period cost or time cost. Okay, and this cost do not depends on the volume of production, that is the sales. Okay, and this cost is incurred irrespective of the actual activity or operation. Okay, for this fixed cost, the example is the rent paid to the building, okay, or the factory, or the salary paid to the person. Okay, this forms part of this fixed cost. And the next one is variable cost, and this cost will increase or decrease according to the proportion of the sales. Okay, according to the output, this variable cost will increase and decrease. If the output increases, this variable cost will increase, and if the output decreases, this cost will decrease. Okay, and this is also known as product cost or marginal cost. The example for this variable cost is direct material, direct wages, direct expenses and other variable overheads. That is, this cost will vary according to the sales. Okay, now we'll see the contribution. Contribution is the difference between sales and variable cost. Okay, and it is the contribution towards the fixed cost and profit. And in this marginal costing, this contribution is very important because it is used to find the profitability of the product. And now we'll see the profit volume ratio, and this we called as PV ratio. This is the ratio between contribution and sales. This ratio is very important for analyzing the relationship between the sales and contribution. Okay, this helps to comparison of profitability of various product. Okay, and next one is break even analysis. This explains the relationship between the revenue and cost. Okay, margin of safety is the difference between actual sales and break even sales, and this margin of safety indicates the safety margin available to the firm. Okay, this is the marginal cost equation. Sales minus variable cost is equal to fixed cost plus profit, and sales minus variable cost is otherwise known as contribution. This fixed cost and profit is the contribution. Okay, and now we'll see the marginal cost statement. This is the marginal cost statement. Sales minus variable cost will get contribution, and contribution minus fixed cost will get profit. Okay, and this is the formula to calculate this PV ratio: contribution divided by sales into 100. Okay, we have two more formulas to calculate this PV ratio. First we'll see one: sales minus variable cost, that is the contribution divided by sales, and the one more formula is change in profit divided by change in sales. If the profit and sales was given for two periods, this formula is to be used. Okay, and now we'll see break even point, and the formula to calculate this is in units, fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. If it is in rupees, we want it in rupees. Fixed cost divided by PV ratio, and one more formula to calculate in rupees is break even point in units. That is, using this formula will arrive break even point in units. No, that should be multiplied by selling price per unit. If we do that, we'll get the break even point in rupees. Okay, and next one is margin of safety. Similar to break even point, we have three formulas for this margin of safety, and the first one is, if we want it in units, profit divided by contribution per unit, and in rupees if we want, profit divided by PV ratio, and the same in rupees if we want, Actual sales minus break-even sales is the formula to calculate this margin of safety. Okay. Next, required sales for given profit. Here the profit will be given. Okay. We need to find what is the sales to earn that profit. Okay. Here the formula is required profit plus fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. If we want the sales in units, okay, and if we want the sales in rupees, required profit plus fixed cost divided by PV ratio, okay, and profit from given sales, okay. The sales will be given in this problem and we have to find out what is the profit, okay. For that the formula is given sales into PV ratio minus fixed cost, okay. First we have to do this. While doing this, we'll get the contribution and contribution minus fixed cost will get the profit. No, the same way doing this formula. Okay. Now we'll see one problem. Simple problem we'll see. Find out the marginal cost from the following. Direct material was given, direct wages, direct expenses, variable overhead, fixed overhead was given. Okay. And we saw that marginal cost is nothing but the variable cost. So this direct material is the variable cost, direct wages will come under that and direct expenses will also come under that, okay. So for calculating this marginal cost, we have to add all these three plus this variable overhead, okay. If we add this three, we'll get the prime cost. So prime cost is the variable cost, okay, plus the variable overhead of 8,000 we have to add, will get the marginal cost, okay. Marginal cost is nothing but the variable cost. And we'll see one more problem. Sales equal to 4 lakh, variable cost 3 lakh, fixed cost 40,000. What is PV ratio? And we know the formula to calculate this PV ratio. And the formula is contribution divided by sales into 100. Okay. First we have to calculate the contribution for this. Okay. Contribution is nothing but sales minus variable cost. Here the sales is 4 lakh and the variable cost is 3 lakh. So we'll get 1 lakh as the contribution. And if we apply in this formula, that is 1 lakh divided by sales is 4 lakh. If we do that, we'll get 25%. Okay. And one more problem we'll see. Calculate PV ratio from the following data given below. Okay. See here. Sales for 2 periods and profit for 2 periods was given. Okay. We have to calculate the PV ratio for this. For this formula is change in profit divided by change in sales. No. Okay. Change in profit here is in 2006, the profit is 1 lakh and in 2007, the profit is 1,80,000. So here the change is 80,000. Okay, 1,80,000 minus 1 lakh is 80,000. And similarly, the change in sales is 6 lakh and it is 10 lakh in 2007. Okay, here the change is 4 lakh. So 80,000 divided by 4 lakh will get 20%. Okay, 20% is the PV ratio here. Okay. I hope now you can able to calculate this marginal cost and PV ratio, right? I have given you the problems for you to practice. Under the 3 methods, I have given you the problem. You just work out the problem and comment the answer. I'll check your answer. Thank you for your patient listening.